Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do something different because I'm going to assemble some parts and making a 3D structure. I think this is really helpful for you after sketching those 3D sketches. This is a new one actually. I will show you every step how to sketch those parts and how to assemble those parts and make one 3D model. Okay, let's see today what we are going to assemble. This is the 3D model we are going to make today. This is the first part we are going to make today, and this is the second part, this is the third part, this is the fourth part, and this is the fifth part. I will show you every move what I am doing in Solidworks to create those parts. Okay, let's begin. First open Solidworks. Okay, select part as usual. Select all your 3 planes and show them. You can see. First, I will gonna make this 3D sketch. This is my first part. Okay, let's begin. Follow my each step, follow my each and every move, and you will be able to easily and creatively make your 3D sketch. Okay, let's begin. You can see, I'll zoom it out. You can see there is a small bend in there. I will show you because there is a 2 diameters in these sections. You can see this has 78 diameter, this has 82 diameter, and this has 120 diameter. Therefore there is a small bend. We have to already doing it in our sketch. Don't miss that one. Okay. Okay, you can see I make my one section of my 3D image, because I want to I will mirror them and extrude it, revolve both space. That is I'm going to do. That is the easy method. You don't have to sketch the whole sketch. You have to only create a part of the sketch and mirror it and revolve it for a boss base. Okay, I get the diameter. I get the diameter as 60 from middle point to this line, and I get the diameter this line to this line as 41, and I get the diameter, you see, this line to this line is 39, and our lengths are middle point to this line is actually 220, and the line, this line to this line, you can see the small line, it is 90, and from middle point to the left hand corner, this line, this vertical line is 420. That means from this to this is 110. You can see this to this is 110. Okay, there are small lines, there are more small lines you have to make. Okay, I will show you how to do it. You have to sketch a center line. From center means a line that is not a center. Actually it's a it's a center line. Create a center line from this point to your midpoint, because when you're going to revolve your boss base, you have to mention your center line, and that is the axis you have to revolve your whole section. Okay, and again you have to insert a center line from this to this point. Okay, now there is a small chamfer here. I will show you. There is a little small chamfer. They have given us 5 dimension 5 to 45. This means 45 angle chamfer. That is a small chamfer, angle 45. I will show you this. This is where you can sketch a fillet. That means sketch a chamfer, not a fillet. You have to select the sketch chamfer. You can select it, and you have to pick this angle distance and give this distance as 5 mm and this as 45 degrees, and select those lines. Now you can see 5. So always distance. You can see. I will show you. This point to this point, 5. You can see 5. This is our chamfer. Okay, we already sketch our half a section of our 3D model, 3D sketch, and we are going to mirror it. Okay, let's select mirror, select those lines. You have to mirror, select each line because you need it. Okay, select these two and select this line too. Then click on mirror above and select your mirror line. This is your section to mirror. And select. Okay, this is the mirror. Mirror. Okay, let's exit from the sketch. Now you can see that. See now, this is the half of our sketch. We are going to 3D model it. You can go to again sketch, and you can see the dimensions are correct or wrong. Yeah, 480, 440. Yes, all the dimensions are correct. Now we are going to revolve this part. Select sketch and go to the features and select revolve boss base. Revolve boss base. Okay, then select this part. You can access the revolution axis. You have to select this one. Yeah, you can see now our half of sketch is revolved, and this is you have to put 360 degrees. Don't put these sticks. They only have to then press OK. You can see now our 3D sketch. Okay. You can see now. Okay. Now you have to save this part. Press Ctrl and S and save where you need to save your. I will save in my desktop. I create a new folder and open it, and I save this section as my part 1 and see. Click save. Okay, we will create our first part, and we have to need to create our second part. That is this. This is our second part. We have to sketch this one too. You can see there is this sketch has also a chamfers. There means 4 chamfers. You can see 5 diameter, 5 diameters, and 45-degree chamfer. You can see on. Okay, let's sketch this too. Go to a new document and select a new part. Select 3 planes and press show. I'm going to use front plane to sketch my drawing. Okay. I will make a center line too. Okay. Let's get the dimensions for our lines. From this to this, it's almost 20. Okay, if you know that as it is going, you can click this one and drag there. Okay, it's easy. You can always select a line and move whenever you want to put it. Okay. This is the center line. This line is 280. And now you can see. Okay, wait. Now you have to hit the diameter of those half diameters, means radius. So this radius is 47.5, because 47.5 means 95. 47.5 diameters. This radius means 47.5, and this diameters. Means 60. Yeah, 60 means 30. And you can see I already done it, and I have to make a chamfer in here. I select sketch chamfer, and I'll already put the values in there. Select these two. Yeah, I get my chamfer. Now you can select dimensions and select this from this to this. It's 55. The sketch gives is 55 also. That means our sketch is correct. Okay, let's mirror these two for other side. Select your lines. Don't forget to select lines. Okay, you have to select all lines you have created. This is line, and click here and select the side you have here. Height plane, plane, height plane, select. You can see now. Let's see our dimensions are correct or wrong. Yeah, it's correct 440. And this to this 560. Exit the sketch. You can see now your sketch, half of your sketch, and go to the features and click revolve workspace. This sketch is currently open and I'm going to yes. Axis erosion, you have to click the center line. Now you can see your sketch is revolved and click OK. You have to mention always take 360 degrees. If the 3D model is 180, you have to put 180, but this is the 360 degree revolution, therefore you have to put 360. Always this is line. Now you can see your 3D sketch, second part of 3D sketch for our assemble. Okay, save this too, and there same in the same folder and put it as part 2 like this. Let's click save. Okay, now we are going to create the second part. This is our third part. You can see there is a lot of dimensions in there. You have to make this as right as usual. Okay, okay, let's make this too. Okay, right. Select a new part. OK. Select 3 planes and click show. And in this part I also select the front plane to sketch. Click sketch. Okay, let's do it. I get the center line to create 2 circles in this sketch. Put the diameters to, first one is 60. 60. Second one is 80. Okay. From middle point to this center, they give us as 150. Again, this point is 150. Don't cut this, don't delete these dimensions because it will go wrong when you have to move a line or something. You have to put these dimensions for the end. Okay, don't delete it. Okay, create line and show this. Okay, a minute, and you can select smart dimension and click this middle line and select this line and put it as 250. Okay, put this and this line so 250. Okay, and now there is another circle, don't know where it is. I will sketch it in here, and its diameter is, its radius diameter is 50. I put as this is the radius, therefore I put 25 millimeters. This is diameter 50 millimeters. And I select this center line and this center point and this center point, and I put it as 150. You can see they are all aligned, 150. This circle is on the center line, and the distance from this point to this point is, the center line to center line is 250. Okay, it's all right. And there is something also. Okay, exit the smart dimension, click the line and create a line, these two. Wait, this. Select again line, create okay. Then select smart dimension. Now create another circle in here. In this line, you have to create in parallel. Okay, in the same line, you can see I move the cursor from this point to pointer. You can see a small lines, that is your cursor in the same path, and click and create a circle. And also the diameter is also 80, which means this is 40. You can see this is 80. Okay, from this point to this point 750. Okay, now you can drag this line is there, drag this one too. You're not changing. Okay, and you can see this is 200, means from this to this is 100, from this to this is also 100. You have to break these two. Also 100. Okay, from this line to this line, from this to this is 550. Okay, from this point to this point it's 100, from this point to this line it's also 100. Okay, and from this line to this line also 100, from this line to this line is also 100. Okay. And there is another dimension from this line to this line, which is 100 also. And from this to this, they gave us as 400, page 400, and there is a circle of 380 degrees. There's a circle of 380 degrees. Okay. 3-point arc. Okay, let's just guess. Okay, and select smart dimension and as 380, not 380, radius 380, and you have to yes, I think right. Okay, this is 380. You can see this 380 radius arc from this point from this to this. And there's another dimension from this point to this point as 100. It's 100. Okay, now all our dimensions are okay. I will okay, and you can see there is in these edges they create a fillet. They create in a fillet. In this sketch there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fillets. In this sketch you have, therefore you have to fillet it, and you can see there is a radius for the fillet is 20 radius. Okay, let's fillet. Select sketch fillet and radius is 20. Put as fillet parameter is 20 millimeters and select the lines for you to see fillet. Okay, this one, 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 and 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 also this one, this one, and click OK. You can see all the 10 places are fillet, and now your sketch is ready. You can click OK and exit this sketch. You can see you create your third sketch for your assembly model. But there is something, you have to extrude your boss base and select the sketch and go to extruded boss base, and you have to put the diameter as dimension as 50 millimeters. Okay, press OK, and you can see your image. You can see your sketch. And here it is. Your sketch is ready. Your 3D sketch is ready. The third part is ready. This is the third part. Your sketch, and save these two as you can save it as part 3. I save it as part 3. Save, and let's see our fourth part. Okay, this is our fourth part. It's a wheel, because this is like a Canon. So this is a Canon, the model of a Canon. Therefore there is 4 wheels. I only make a one, and I can put four of them to assemble. It's easy. I will show you how to do it, and let's begin to make this wheel. Okay, select new document and select a part and click OK, and select 3 planes and select show, and select a plane. You can select any plane. If you want to top plane or front plane or right plane, you can select any of it, but I select because I can. It's easy to select, to sketch in a front plane, because that's why I select front plane and press front plane and select sketch, and in this one you are only need to create circles for your sketch, not the 3D model. For your sketch you have to only drawing circles. In this one you can, like this, you have to make circles. There is diameters. You can see there are diameters. Okay, let's sketch, take circle and create 1 2 3 4 5 6. Create 6 circles. How shall I do it? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's get the diameter. First circle, this is outer circle diameter is 500. Outer circle diameter is 500, and inner circle of that is 460, and this one is 380, and this one is 340, this one is 200, and this one is, the inner circle is 78. Okay, now you can see all of them and put them in direct manner. Right, that's easy. You can see the dimensions of the circles, and I exit from the front plane. Again, you can see now nice sketch, but it's not finished yet. Again, select sketch, and you have to enter circles. Okay, you have to create circles. I'm going to create 2 circles and mirror them. Okay, let's see. Here, select this circle and select a circle in this point. Okay, and another circle in this point. The diameters of these 2 circles are now 62. This one is 42. 60. And you can mirror these 2 circles into this side. Let me show you how to do it. Exit from Smart Dimension. Click Mirror Entities and select this circle, and select mirror above and select this one. You can see this circle is mirroring this side. Select OK, and again do it to this circle too. see this. Okay, you now got 4 circles, and you have to trim this circle because it's not a circle, actually it's a center line. For create our 4 circles, this is a center line. Actually this is a center line, center circle. This center circle is actually used to create these circles. That is why I'm going to trim it. It is not going to need. Okay, now your sketch is ready. Now you have to extrude it to front or back, because this is a 3D model and this is a wheel. And I select sketch and go to features and select extruded boss base. Follow my each steps. Okay, I extrude this to 2 directions because it's a wheel. This is a wheel because this one is going to 2 directions, from the front plane to 2 direction of the sides from the front plane, because you can see I go into the right plane. This part is only going to extrude. I want both sides, therefore I select direction 2 also, and there is another diameter, and you have to select same diameters for this. And I will show you this from the sketch. You can see 130 in this one, 130 from this to this. You can see 130. This 130. I have to get 130 from both sides. That means half of 130 for one side. That means 65. That means 65 for both sides. You can get 130 here and select OK. You can see this part is already done. Okay, go to sketch and again select extruded boss base and select this one, and you can put it as also in that way, because you need to put it all already. So I select 2 direction and select this through. You can see now. And I'm going to extrude this part also as same value, 65 2 directions, and click OK. And then I select sketch and go again to extrude boss base and select this one and put the diameters for 2 directions, because I need is only one. When I select this direction, you can't see in this one. You have to select both direction and put this as 45 in both. It's as 45 in both. And you now ready. You can select OK. You can see, but there is still missing something, because from this to this side, this is from this ring, this one is a chamfer. Actually you have to chamfer it, because in the image you can see a chamfer. That means 4 chamfers. There is 2 in the other side. You can see this is chamfer. Therefore you have to chamfer it. I will show you how to chamfer this when in 3D model. You can see in this fillet, go to chamfer and select this one and select this no need to select these two. You have to select in this ring. Select this ring and select your diameter as 20 millimeters and 45 degrees. Then click OK. You can see this side is chamfer, and again you have to chamfer this one, and this one. Okay, let's chamfer them. Select chamfer. I already have this one, and I select this line, I select this line, I select this line, and click OK. Now you can see I chamfer 4 edges, and you can see our 4th 3D model, 3D sketch is complete. You can see now. Here is a wheel for our Canon. You see now. Okay, let's save this two as part 4. Let's see our final part we are gonna need to make today for our Canon, 3D Canon. This is the last part we are going to make. Okay guys, let's make this final part too. You can see this is a bit different and this is a bit difficult because you can't mirror this from this, because there's 2 parts. You need to create this part and this part, and you have to revolve it. I will show you how to doing it. Okay, I need to show you something. You can see there is a circle, a half circle. There is also half. This also half. You can see it as 4. Radius is 4 in this half circle. This also half circles. Okay, there is a hole inside this 3D model because this is the head of the Canon. This is the ball. This is the where is the when you see the Canon ball is vent and fire is from there. We have to create this hole also. I will show you how to do it, and that is not a difficult one. Okay, let's see how to do it. Okay, select a new document, select part, select OK, and go to front plane and select 3 planes and press show. I select front plane and select sketch. Okay, let's begin. Just going to this one. Okay, I select dimensions for this one. There is as a middle point, that means this is 100, and from this to this is 645. See now, this is 645, and this one, and the radius of this one is, the radius from this to this is 252, which means outer circle. This means 250. Means 250 means 125. You can see now it. And radius of this part is 110 means 55, and radius of this part is, you can see, 95. It's mean 95, diameter is 95, radius is 55, not 55 actually. This is not 55. 195 means 95 means 47.5. This means 47.5, and this is under this one is 55. Actually, it's 55. And I create a center line from this to this and to this, because it's easy to, when it's create after for your creation, it's easy for your creation. I put this is as 200. Okay, I put this as 200. From this point to this point actually 445, not 445, actually it's come as 550. This is 550 because this is not 455. This part 550. And again you can create big section also, and this to this, create this kind of line, select this, create like I am creating. Okay, you can see what I am created. From this to this, this to this, this to this, this to this, this to this. I will show you again. This 550. Okay, select line. We'll zoom this one. From this to this, so from this to this, and from this to this to this. Okay, this is the inner part of our sketch, and go to the dimensions. From this to this part, yeah, 391. and from this point to this point it is 25, means 50. 50 is for 391, and there is another one. From this point to this point is 375, but I need to find the distance from this point to this. Therefore I have to mix something like yeah, this point to this point is 9. They given us as 9. It's easy to find from this point to this point. You see now it's actually 9. It's 9. From this point to this point they gave us as 375. You can see this point to this point is 25. Okay, and let's take a sketch. From this point to this point, one dimension. From this point to this point is 93, and from this point to this point is, from this point to this point is, it's 9. It's 9. Okay, and there is a radius. This has a diameter, therefore this is the radius. They got diameter as 64, therefore the radius is 34 in here, and the diameter of this one is 60. Okay, there is some error, right? There's something a bit of an error. Let's see what is the error. 32 affected. I will delete this diameter. Set again this diameter to this one. Set as 16. The item is inside, item conflicts on this side. Okay. Delete this one. Okay. And the diameter of this one to this one is 32. Okay. And there is a small one. And this radius is 9. Okay, it is done. You can see there will come some errors. When you're doing it, you have to do it as right, because when it's wrong you can't do anything. Okay, I have created this part, but there is something I have to do, because there is a little half circle, half circles of 25 radius. Therefore I go to 3-point arc and go to select 3-point arc. From this is to this, select one and draw here. Wait, 3-point arc, this point to this point. Okay, diameter is in this is 20. Oh yeah, radius is 25. It's correct. And I have to trim this line. I now need that line. Okay, and there is a little mistake in here because no, it's correct. Nothing is sorry, all are correct. Okay, and exit from trim, create a center line from this point to this point. Okay, now you have to create the other side. I get this one here, and select again line. And there is another there is another chamfer in here. Okay, it's a little one. This is small one. Yeah, this is small one, but it's you can let goes from this to this. Okay, like this to this, and again select a line, this to this, to line both. Okay, line both of them. Already a line. Select this one, it is minus this as this one as this. Okay, get smart dimension, and the inside radius of this is 200. From this to this is 100. You have to put it as 100, and this side also 100. And yeah, from this one to this one is 75. Yeah, there is 75. And from this point to this point it is 80, and this point to this point is 25, not 25, and from this point to this point is 200. Smart dimension sense this one. And from here to here, yeah, also 25, also 25, and this line here, right? This one, this also 100. So nice, seems different, bit different. select again a line. Select a line with this line. Okay, you can see here small dotted lines with this one, and create as this and as this and as this. Okay, you can see this is 25. Okay, and from here to here, right? Wait, this one is 25. From this one to this one is 150. Okay, it's 150, and from here to here is 70. Okay, and from here to here it is 57. Okay, and there is a circle. That is a circle of 80 radius. Circle of 80 radius. You have to draw it in the center. This center. You can see it's orange, and click in here. You see center line from the center, and it's a 80 millimeter radius. Okay, and select smart dimension, and you have to put from this to this as 750. Yeah, this is 750. Okay, you have to put from this to this side as 1390 millimeters. Okay, but there is something is not right, because I will show you what is the wrong thing we have done. 100. Because this line is going to this one, but it's not correct. What's the problem? Yes, let's see. From this to this 200, 500. Let's see. Oh wait, you have to put this is as 50. This is 50. This is 52, because they give us radius, but this is a diameter. This is a diameter. Therefore, this is 50. Now you can see. Yeah, it's right. Okay, exit the dimension and select trim. And trim this one. No, wait. Okay, and go to the center line and select from this center to this one. Yeah, that is exit, and go to trim entities and trim this ones. This one, right? We have to extend the center line. Okay, let's create another center line from this to this. Okay, now you can trim half of it. Okay, and you have to go to 3-point arc and create 3-point arc circles in here. Okay, another one. Okay, you can see now it's 25 millimeter radius. This is also 25 millimeter radius, and from this to this is 57. Which is got to 57. Okay, and this one is matched to 80. Something mistake. Pause. Right. Okay, now it's right. Okay, see. It's only this one. 59. 9 mean is 70. Let's mean 70. Yep. Small in there, small. Yeah, let's see 59. Okay, this is your sketch, and there is something you have to done, because in there is a little fillet in there, 45-degree fillet. You have to select sketch fillet and select this one, and this one is 10 millimeter radius, and select OK. Okay, you also done it. Oh no, there's not a fillet. Actually, it's not a fillet, it's a chamfer. It's my bad. Actually, it's a chamfer. Okay, go to sketch chamfer, and I'll put this as 10. Distance to distance, also 10. Go distance, okay, and click this one to this one. Yeah, and we have get a chamfer. It's a small chamfer, so not a big one, small one, and press OK. And you can see you create your section. Now you have to extrude this one and exit your sketch, and you can see this, the half of it, and go to the features and go to the remove boss base, select OK, yes, and select the axis. You can see now it revolved. You can see it revolved from your what ones you selected. You can see now it. I show you both sides and click OK. Oh, now you can see this is the hole. This is where the cannonball is going. Okay. Now you already done your last part of the assembly, and now you have to assemble the all parts. Okay, now I will show you how to do it. First you have to save this one to save it as part 5 and click save. Okay. Okay, I will show you how to paint everything, because it's good when you painted it. It's real nice when you paint it. Up. Show you the shadow. You see the shadow. Then I remove the shadow. Okay, let's assemble our parts. First, I'm going to color all the 5 parts because it's nice when you color it and it's beautiful. And I'm going to color this one first. Go to this edit appearance and you can see this one. It's select part on all the part 5 because I delete this one and go to this one, the select faces. I'm going to color the on faces only. I select this. You can see that you can color it whatever you want. I will color usual. Okay. This one faces. So here I select yellow color. Okay, and again go to this one and I want to color this one too. I select earlier color. Select part. This is the face. Okay, select okay. Okay, I color this side, this one. Select this face, color from this. Okay. Okay, so you colored your 3D part, and I'm going to save it also. I control is S, and I'm going to open part 1 and I'm going to color it too. Brown, to be dark. Faces, space, this face, this face, this face, this face, this face, and select purple, bit of red. This face, this one. and I select green. Okay, press Ctrl and S, and again open the part 2. Part faces, select 3 faces you want. Okay, dark brown. Okay. Red, blue. Now save this one too, and open the third part, and you can let part 1, part 2. Okay, this whole section is one color. If I put it as orange, rest part 4. Yes, this is the satire. It I think I undo that. That's the case. Yep, I undo it. Again I want to chamfer this because I undo it. Okay, good appearance. Put hard black. You can't see because you can't see yeah, hard black is yep. Let's see this. Yeah, let's put it as brown. Okay, this face, this face, I put it what color? No, to color it. Okay, these faces too. If I can black. Okay, it's also done. Now we create all 5 parts and we color them, and now we are going to assemble all 4 parts and create the cannon. Follow my each step. You have to go to the new document, create a new document, and select assembly and click OK. And now you are coming to the assembly part. Now you can browse, go to the browse and select part 1, part 2 and part 5, because part 3 and 4 is already in there, and click open. You can see, and I have need I need 2 part of this and 1 part of this. No, 2 part of this and 1 part of this. Therefore, I'm going to assembly and click insert components. When you go to the insert component, you can insert any component, and you can see there is part 3 and part 4. We didn't select part 3 and part 4 who are eligible. Therefore, I click this one and drag and place in here, and again go to the insert component and go again, drag part 3 and drop, because we need two this kind of sketches for our assembly, and I need two this kind of parts also. And I go to the insert components and I select part 4, our wheel. I need 4 of them. Again click and drag and drop. Good. Again click and drag and drop. Good. And again click and drag and drop. And I again go to the insert components and click browse, and I need another part 1. Click in here. Okay, now you can see our parts are here. Now we need to assemble our parts. Okay, let's go to mate and select. I'm going to create from this side. Okay. Okay, let's get this one. No, wait. Okay. I'm going to select from this part. This is part 2. I'm going to select this and select to this. You can see it's going to align, but now I have to select OK. Now I have to put them together. I again select this side and select this side. You can see it's combined, and I select OK. Now I'm going to do same for them too. I'm going to put them. Okay. Now I'm going to fix this one into this. I'm going to select this and select this. You can see it's already done it. Okay, and select OK. But there is some mistake, because nope. Okay, it's right, but it's not right. I'm going to do it this one, this way. Select this and select this. Okay, again you can see now it. Okay, and and select okay, and select this side and this side. You can see now. Right, again select this side, and click OK. Now you move it. Okay, and again do this part same too. Click this one and click OK. Again click this side and this side. Now click OK. Okay, and go to your Canon. There is something you have to do in your Canon. Let's remove this. Okay, a second. Yeah, remove this part. Okay, go to your Canon 4 file. Go to your new. Up. Go to file, open. Go to a Canon. Select open. You have to create a hole in here. I forgot it. Okay. There is our front plane. Yeah, this is front plane. I create a hole in here. Go to sketch, not front plane. Go to the plan and I select top plane and go to sketch and go to a circle and I create a circle of radius of 47.5. Yep, and I want to align it to the center. This side is 200. Yeah, it's right. Okay, now I'm going to exit it and select sketch 2 and go to extruded cut, and I'm going to need both two directions and select this as 50. As 50 is not in. I this as 200 and this is as 200 also, and click OK. Now I create the hole and I save it and go to the assembly part. Okay, now you can add your Canon to part 5. Click OK. Click here. Okay, now we are ready, and go to the mate and select this cylinder and click on this. You can see now and click OK. Okay, this part is moving part. This is not fixed one. And you need to combine this into this also, and select this side and select this side, right. Automate this side, this side, select OK, and you have to select this side and this side, and you can see this is correct, and select OK, and select this side, OK. Alright, select OK. Now you have to add your wheels. Select this inner circle and select this, and select this. Select OK. And select this one also too. Select inner circle and this. Okay, you can't drag it. Like this one, like this one. Okay. But there's a little problem. You can see now. Okay, move it. Automate. This one. Okay. You have to fix this one. This from this place. Okay. You have to select this face only. This face. Okay. Click OK. Select this face and select this face. Select this face and select this face. Also, okay, select this face and select this face. Click OK. Now you can see your Canon is ready. You can see your Canon is ready. This is movable. You can move it, but there is something wrong because you can see now it's movable, but there is something in here is wrong. It means because it's already fixed. Like this. Okay. This is your Canon. See it? Can rotate your wheels too. This is your 3D model. This is a simple 3D model. I will get a next video. I will show you from a next video how to simulate a 3D model when after assembling. Okay, thank you guys. I know this is a too long video because this is the assembly part. I create 5 parts separately and I bring them together and get a fixed assembly part, and this is it. You can see our assembly. You can see this is what we get, and right. You see, this is the 3D model. I know this is a little bit long video and this is little bit difficult. I know you can do it because it's easy, it's very fun when you're doing it. I hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and click on bell icon and see my new videos. And thank you guys, take care, you, bye.